Welcome to Air Fryer February, a month-long culinary adventure where we'll be diving deep into the world of crispy, delicious delights. Get ready to elevate your cooking game as we embark on a flavorful journey with our trusty air fryers. Throughout the month of February, I'll be sharing a diverse array of mouth-watering recipes that showcase the versatility and magic of this revolutionary kitchen gadget. From crispy snacks to succulent main courses, I've got your meals covered. Join me every week as I unveil new recipes, cooking tips, and hacks to make the most out of your air fryer. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just unboxing your air fryer for the first time, my easy-to-follow tutorials will inspire you to whip up culinary masterpieces with minimal effort. Prepare to be amazed by the perfect crunch, unbeatable juiciness, and incredible flavors that only the air fryer can deliver. Whether you're a health-conscious foodie or just love indulging in your favorite comfort foods, guilt-free, Air Fryer February is the ultimate celebration of deliciousness. So don't miss out on the chance to transform your kitchen into a hub of culinary creativity. So friends, please subscribe, like, and stay tuned as I unravel a month packed with tasty surprises. Let the Air Fryer February festivities begin because cooking has never been this exciting.